Hey guys, it's Blake Holbrooks with MarineMax on Lake Wylie. Today we're out here on a beautiful day checking out this 2026 Yamaha 252SD. That's a D, so it does have that drive system, and you'll notice we got it in the two-tone blue color scheme, light blue up top and a dark blue bottom. You guys climb aboard this thing and check it out. All right, welcome aboard the 252SD, guys. So we're starting way back here towards our swim platform. You can see we got that signature Yamaha huge multi-step swim platform. So it's a nice cascading platform up from the water and to the water. And when you're hanging out back here, awesome feature on these 25-foot models are these adjustable loungers. So you can slide them as you need them, and then you can sit down and stretch out if you want to hang out on the back here. I'm gonna make my way into the cockpit. You can see this boat does have a center walkthrough to get on board, but once you're in, you will have a filler cushion that you can put right here to make this a full bench and fit more people on board. I'll go ahead and lift this up to show you your Yamaha 1.9 high output 4 cylinders. This boat's gonna have about a 400 horsepower combined with both of those motors on there. So a ton of power on this 25-footer here. Get out there, go fast, pull someone on a tube or a ski, have some fun out there. Also in the cockpit in here, you've got tons of storage underneath all of these seats. And then another one of my favorite features on the 25s here is, I call it an airplane table, but you can flip that out, maybe mix up some drinks, have a charcuterie board, any kind of snacks you want, and you do have storage for all that stuff right underneath the table as well. Take a quick look at the floor. You can see this is snap-in marine mat flooring. So it's super absorbent, doesn't get slippery, but if you wanted to take it off and expose that non-skid, you easily could. Also easy to take out and clean. Got dual captain's chairs. So captain chairs on both sides. Over here on the captain's side, you've got an adjustable bolster, and both have got these armrests so you can flip up and down and adjust the back as well. We'll take a quick look at the helm over here. So highlighting the steering wheel real quick. This boat's gonna have some steering wheel controls, so you can do a side shift, a dock hold, a pivot turn, and you have your drive system paddles up here. And then you've got that huge Yamaha Connect screen right in front of the steering wheel, so that'll have things like your engine management, chart plotter, and then to the right of that is gonna be a wireless cell phone charger and mount. Over here on the port side, you've got a compartment that is outfitted to be a head. As you can see with all the stuff we've got in there, it's also a massive storage compartment if you opt to not put a porta potty in there, right? And then another huge storage compartment is gonna be your center ski locker here. It's got a non-skid mat down there to hold your stuff in place, but you can fit tons of skis, tubes, anything like that down in there. And then this door on the starboard side will expose behind the helm, but it can also be used as a wind dam door. So if you wanted to use the boat on a cooler day, you could close this, close the windshield, and block out all that wind. Moving on up to the bow, I'm gonna take a seat just to show you guys how spacious it is up here. So I can stretch all the way out like this. And then underneath both of these seats are a nice big storage compartment. With the front seat, you can take it off and kind of stash it to the side and make a nice step platform back into the boat. And that is when you would utilize your bow ladder that you have in your anchor locker up here. Right. Another cool option on the bow is gonna be the filler cushions. So you can fill those in here, and it makes a nice big pad up here. If you guys have any questions about this boat or anything else we have to offer here at MarineMax, you can give us a call at 803-831-2101. You can ask for me, Blake Holbrooks.